I just saw your hood and I thought it'd be a good place to throw something in the window. But now I realize that that was a bad choice. Jill, squirrel defense. Alright, so just get out of your phone.
Dad, are you videoing?
Turn it on camera.